Inside the Lamborghini factory, every supercar begins its journey with precision and purpose. This is where raw materials are transformed into one of the most aggressive machines on the road. Lamborghini does not believe in ordinary production. Every step is carefully planned, measured, and executed by skilled engineers and craftsmen. From the very first component, perfection is the standard. Technology, design, and Italian passion come together inside these walls. This is not just the start of a car. This is the birth of a Lamborghini. Inside the Lamborghini factory, the foundation of every supercar is built from carbon fiber. This lightweight material gives Lamborghini its strength, speed, and sharp performance. Each carbon fiber panel is carefully molded and shaped with extreme precision. Advanced machines and skilled technicians work together to ensure absolute accuracy. Every measurement is checked and every surface is perfected. Even the smallest flaw is unacceptable at this stage. The chassis is not just strong, it is engineered for balance and control. This is where Lamborghini's aggressive character begins to take shape. Before moving forward, the structure is inspected again and again, because performance starts with a perfect foundation. At the heart of every Lamborghini is an engine built by hand. Inside the factory, skilled technicians assemble each engine with extreme care. Every component is placed, measured, and tightened with precision. There is no room for error at this stage. The engine is not assembled in a rush. It is built step by step, following exact specifications. Each completed engine is carefully inspected before moving forward, because this machine must deliver both power and reliability. This is more than an engine. This is the soul of a Lamborghini. Inside the Lamborghini factory, advanced technology brings the supercar to life. This is where electronics, performance systems, and driving intelligence are carefully integrated. Engineers install complex control units that manage power, traction, and stability. Every system is designed to respond instantly to the driver's input. Wiring, sensors, and digital modules are placed with extreme accuracy. Each connection must work perfectly under high speed and extreme conditions. Lamborghini's performance systems are tested again and again inside the factory. From driving modes to suspension control, nothing is left to chance. Software calibration plays a critical role at this stage. Engineers fine-tune the car's behavior to ensure balance, control, and confidence. This technology does not replace the driver. It enhances the driving experience while maintaining raw performance. Before moving forward, every electronic system is fully checked and verified, because modern performance demands both power and intelligence. This is where engineering meets innovation and where Lamborghini's advanced technology becomes part of the machine. Inside the Lamborghini factory, performance meets Italian design. This is where the interior is crafted to match the car's aggressive character. Premium materials are carefully selected for every surface. Leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber are shaped and finished by hand. Craftsmen focus on precision, stitching, and alignment. Every detail must feel perfect to the touch. The cockpit is designed around the driver. Controls, displays, and seating are positioned for both comfort and control. Technology blends seamlessly with luxury inside the cabin. Nothing is added without purpose. Before completion, the interior is inspected in detail, because true performance should also feel exceptional. This is not just a cabin, it is an Italian-crafted driving environment. Inside the Lamborghini factory, every completed car goes through strict quality control. This stage ensures that the supercar meets Lamborghini's exact standards. Engineers carefully inspect every exterior panel and surface. Alignment, finish, and fit are checked with absolute precision. Mechanical systems are tested to confirm performance and reliability. Electronics, software, and sensors are reviewed one final time. Every Lamborghini is examined both visually and technically. Nothing moves forward without full approval. Test procedures simulate real driving conditions. This helps ensure the car performs flawlessly on the road. Only after passing every inspection is the car approved for delivery, because perfection is not optional at Lamborghini. This is where precision becomes confidence and where the supercar earns its name. Inside the Lamborghini factory, the journey reaches its final moment. After countless hours of precision and craftsmanship, the supercar stands complete. Every detail now comes together as one machine. Design, performance, and technology unite in perfect balance. The finished Lamborghini represents more than speed. It reflects passion, engineering, and Italian heritage. Before leaving the factory, the car is given a final visual check. This is the last step before it meets the world. What began as raw materials is now a masterpiece of performance, built to dominate the road and ignite emotion. This is not just a car. This is a Lamborghini.